Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to level up your card designs using partial holography. Usually, when you print on foil, the whole card shines. But sometimes you want specific elements like your character or text to stand out by staying matte while the background shimmers. To achieve this contrast, we need to add a layer of white ink behind those specific elements to block the metallic effect. It sounds technical, but it's actually quite simple. Let me show you how to prepare the perfect PDF file for QPMN. First, let's prepare your assets. You'll need two PNG images to start. One is your full graphic, the complete design of your card. The second is just the elements with transparent background. This is the specific part you want to be non-holographic. Open our card template in Adobe Illustrator and drag both images onto the canvas. Make sure to organize them into two separate layers. Place your full card graphic on the bottom layer and your non-holographic elements on the top layer. The layer for white ink should be named as white with capital W. Now, we need to turn that key element into a vector shape. If your design was already created in Illustrator with vectors, you can skip this step. But if you are using a PNG, select your key element image. Go to Window and select Image Trace. Change the preset to Silhouettes. You can adjust the threshold slider until your element is solid black. Once it looks good, click Expand at the top. Perfect, your image is now a vector. Next, we need to tell the printer exactly where to put the white ink. We do this using a spot color. Select the vector you just created, go to Window, then Swatches, and click the plus button to create a new swatch. This part is crucial. First, change the color type to spot color. Second, name the swatch white. Make sure the W is capitalized. Finally, change the color value to a bright pink or magenta. This color won't actually print pink. It just helps us visually separate the white ink layer from your artwork. Click OK, and you'll see your vector turn pink. We are almost there. Select your pink vector one last time. Go to Window, then Attributes. Check the box that says Overprint Fill. This ensures the white ink interacts correctly with the layers below it. There is also one very important detail to watch out for here. First, open your transparency panel. Click the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner and select Show Options. Finally, go through every element and layer under your white layer and make absolutely sure that the Knockout group box is unchecked. Before we save, check your layers. Make sure your pink vector layer is sitting on top of your full card graphic. Also, if you have a layer for the die cut line, make sure to hide or delete it. We don't want that line printed on your final card. Now, simply save your file as a PDF. Just one final reminder. Each card needs to be saved as its own separate PDF file. And that's it. Your files are now ready for partial holographic printing. We can't wait to see your stunning designs in your next randomized booster pack. Happy creating!